Good morning, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, having my morning coffee. We'll make a video this morning. This video is going to be called How to Loosen a Vintage Outboard Motor Powerhead. Alright, it's going to have two parts to it. Alright, first part is going to be carb cleaner, and the second part is going to be WD-40. So if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so had a question from a subscriber this morning about a vintage outboard motor he picked up, and he just said he had trouble pulling the rope on it. It's a little 5.5 or 7.5, and he said it was just hard to turn over and couldn't figure out how to loosen it up. Well, I'm gonna show you how to loosen it up. All right, so first thing I do when I get my motors that I pick up or somebody bring to restore, first thing I do is hit it with a power washer. Power wash that sucker on the outside as hard as I can, all right? Then, hopefully, the rope pulls on it and it's not frozen up. So what I do, I take out the spark plugs and I take me some carb cleaner. Spray it in both sides, both cylinders, and pull the rope about 5 or 6 times. All right, after I do that, take me some WD-40 and I spray it in both cylinders. All right, and I pull the rope. All right, so just repeat that process with this carb cleaner and the WD-40. Repeat that process as long as it takes to loosen it up. What happens is that motor's been sitting so long that the rings and the piston inside the cylinders are kind of stuck in one position, and the rest of it has just gunk on it probably. So the carb cleaner dissolves that gunk, and then when you pull in the rope, it's sucking in air and exhausting out that carb cleaner. So and then the WD-40 you put in there lubricates it. So just repeat that process. That's how you clean the cylinders, and the WD-40 lubricates it. Works for me. By the time I get through doing that, the rope pulls without the spark plug in. It's like a dream. All right, so that's the T-Mike trick for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I did. See y'all next video. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. You know, my mission here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. And I think I'm there. I think I have it. So the best way to reach me is at my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. It's the first link down below in the description. On that website, I have all the links you need to contact me, provide the information I need for your one-stop shopping, all right? You can find all my parts right there. I have a parts broker link where you can submit a form to me to look for your hard-to-find parts. I have a mail-in repair link where you can click on it, talk about shipping your part to me for repair. I have a technical consulting link where you can donate to my site and ask me technical questions and get an answer. I also have a restorations link. You can click on that if you want me to restore your motor. I can give you the information you need to do that. So my website is a wonderful thing. Please click on it, go to it in order to contact me. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.